Yesterday we hit an equity peak in the stock index portfolio. Right now we are down on the day. You see some stopped out trades. Tick count trend 2 was on a roll, got stopped out. And here is the spreadsheet for the stock index portfolio as of yesterday. You see this number right here, the current drawdown. Right here when you see the current drawdown is 0, then you're at an equity peak, and that's with 30 strategies in the stock index portfolio. It includes the old AT 2019. I'm going to show you the difference between AT 2019 and AT 2020 in this setup. So if you scroll down and we take this out, in the past I've had this as a just a non-decimal number, an integer, but I've used this as I set this up to use micros. If you want to trade 1 micro, you would go 0.1 would be 1 micro, and you could determine the results from trading 1 micro. 0.1 would be 1 micro, 0.2 would be 2 micros, 0.3 would be 3 micros, so on and so forth. So AT 2019, if you take it out and you put in AT 2020, you're still at an equity peak. The drawdown does go up. We talked about that yesterday, but that's back in 2009. And so the drawdowns at this 2009 mark are higher, but these drawdowns are slightly lower, and the average trade profit goes up on AT 2020. So that's why we have made that transition here right at equity peaks. And one of the things you can do, actually want to take a look at the monthly results. 12, 107.50, 78, 740 on the year with AT 2020. And then let's take a look at it with AT 2019. Now this strategy is actually down on the year. And I like to develop portfolios with strategies that are in a run-up, strategies that are in a drawdown. And this is in a drawdown. It has a strong history, but it's in a slight drawdown. And so the monthly results are about the same. It's a little higher with AT 2019, and then AT 2020 is down on the year but has that higher average trade profit. And we went over that yesterday. Nice equity curve with a small pullback is an ideal place to get in. And you see the results here with AT 2019. Not a lot of difference. And you go to the top, not a lot of difference. And so you can actually, one of the things you can do also is you can actually trade them both. You see the worst case drawdown is 30,402.50, and a total net profit is 679 since 2009. You can add AT 2020 right here, and you can actually trade them both. So when you have the stock index portfolio, you actually have 31 strategies now instead of just 30. Or if you have AT 2020, you get AT 2019 as well. And so you go to 33,227, which is the worst case drawdown of AT 2020. And then you see the results here, and it's slightly lower on the year because this is down on the year, but it did not affect November's trade. So here it is. Here's the drawdown curve with both of those strategies. You could trade them both and boost your total net profit as well. So you just have more options to work with, and this is the latest portfolio calculator for the equity peak in the stock index portfolio.